Hi there, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and today I'm going to give you 5 ways to protect yourself before you buy an Algo trading system or subscribe to Algo trading signals. So let's get started. Okay, so you're looking at buying an Algo system or subscribing to signals. How can you protect yourself from all the scammers out there? Well, first, you have to realize the Holy Grail of trading systems, that perfect trading system, is not going to be for sale. And if you see a system out there that looks too good to be true and looks like the Holy Grail, well, chances are it's not. Who would sell the Holy Grail? But that doesn't mean people don't sell good trading systems that aren't the Holy Grail, because they certainly do. There are good trading systems for sale and there are good signals out there. But usually that's not what entices people. People love to see perfect equity curves. In other words, the Holy Grail. And when you see that, just be very skeptical, because chances are something is wrong with it where it's not going to work going forward. And speaking of which, even once you buy a system or you subscribe to signals, that comes to point number 2. Run it in real time with no money for a while. So let's say you buy a system today. Well, watch its performance for the next 3 to 6 months. Now, I realize that kind of makes it tough because you might have already paid for it and that kind of thing. But you want to make sure it's working in real time before you put trading capital to it. Trust me, you'll lose a lot less if you do this, where you don't trade with real money right off the bat. The third point is, once you've gotten through that initial test with no money, start out really small. Don't start trading 5 or 10 contracts right off the bat. Start with 1. See how the system works with real money. Make sure your results are pretty comparable to whatever the back test was, or especially the period of time where you ran with no money. Ease into it. Don't jump in all at once. People make a mistake and they go full in right off the bat, and usually they regret that. The next point is, if you're looking to buy a system or looking to subscribe to signals, consider the fact that maybe that isn't even the way to go. Maybe developing your own systems is a better way to protect yourself. By building your own systems, you know what goes into them. You know if they were curve fit. And if you do things the right way, you can come out with some pretty neat systems on your own. So give some consideration to just building your own systems. And the final point, whether you buy a system, you subscribe to signals, or you develop your own system, is focus on the downside. Most people just focus on the profits. Oh, how much money am I going to make with this strategy? What kind of car am I going to buy? What kind of fancy dinner am I going to go to? Well, I think you should focus on the downside. Focus on how much money you could lose with this system. Focus on the down periods, the drawdown. Do you have to survive a 6-month drawdown? A lot of trading systems have that. And you'll make money overall, but psychologically it's hard to lose money for a few months in a row. But you should always look at the downside. Don't look at the upside. If you focus on the downside, you're going to be much more risk averse and you're going to be able to protect yourself better. Okay, so those are 5 ways you can protect yourself if you're looking to buy a trading system or buy some trading signals. And my preferred way is reason number 4, which is just build your own system. I think that's the best way to go. But hopefully my other tips will help you if you decide you want to just buy a system. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them. Thumbs up if you like this video. And in the description, there's a link to the full article that I wrote on this subject. I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey. Have a great day.